Well, it's Halloween, but it's not too early to start thinking about Christmas. I'm with Dorothy. We're out here at Al's Sherwood. And Dorothy, you guys have some great ways to porchscape your planters.
We do. We have all kinds of different ways to decorate your porch, and we like to do it with either live greens or with cut greens. We can do it with either.
Right, and the nice thing, you have this planter, done up with, a beautiful cypress and, some osmanthus and the heucheras. But there's ways you kind of change these up throughout the season. Like, you put in these little picks in here, which is kind of fun. So you can just kind of, tuck these in here, and you can change up the way your planter looks throughout the year.
We do. So as we're leaving Halloween and our pumpkins maybe look a little rough, right. We suggest that you get rid of those, and then you're going to want to freshen up your look. So this planter can be plain, just like this, and it's more seasonal that way. And then if I want to floof it up for Christmas or for the holidays, I can stick some ticks in there, and we can go back in there with that. This planter will also do, all of this will do really well in the cold, but in the spring, if we want to change it out, we can just pull the pansy out, and we could pull the cyclamen out, and then we can put spring annuals in there, and so this actually can last year round.
Right, and so it makes it very versatile.
It does. We like to mix textures and different colors in there, and it helps with that.
And then you also have other thoughts on, you have another planter over there, but that one's not made with year-round plants, is it?
Correct. These are cut greens. And so we have made we call them always in bloom, so that we can drop them just right in your container.
Oh, very
They're
clever.
made out of cut greens, and then they can come pre-decorated, or you can come in and choose from our buffet of other different balls and different colors, and you can decorate your own, or you could have one of our custom decorators do it for you.
Oh, great. Yeah, so your customers can come in and pick out their own theme, because everybody's kind of got their own look of what they want to do. So
right. Everybody has their own ideas and their own looks, and we have people that can help you decide, or you can just come and choose and pick your favorites and decorate your own.
Very nice. Now you guys have an event coming up. It is the holiday time, and
we do.
Usually you've had an evening of lights, but that's actually been extended this year.
It has, because we're trying to keep all of our shoppers safe and all of our employees safe. We've extended this to not just one evening of lights at every location, but we are going to have it be all week. So starting on the 4th, and it goes through the 10th, we will have a week of lights instead of just evening of lights.
Excellent. And you've extended your hours for that time also.
We have. All 4 locations will be open that week until 7 o'clock in the evening. So you can enjoy the night atmosphere, which is what a lot of people like to do.
Right. You have to actually have the evening of lights.
Right.
So not only do you have your week of lights, but you also have some other special activities going on.
We do. So you have to check our website, because each store has different activities each evening. So check our website for the different activities by store by evening.
So if you want great ideas for how to porchscape your patio for the holidays coming up, for great plants and great decorating ideas, make sure you check Al's website or their social media feeds. And for more information on that, you can also go to gardentime.tv, and we'll click you over.